In this video, I am going to explain how to render and insert an index. In order to be able to create an index, first we have to mark the entries that are going to form part of the index. So let's say that, for example, we want the word archipelago in the index. So we highlight the word archipelago, we go on references, and there is this button here, mark entry. I am going to click on the button mark all so that all instances of the mark entry or of the word archipelago will be picked. And then I'm going to close. Know that when we're working with indexes, as soon as we mark an entry, the show hide symbols will be displayed. Those are used to indicate that there is certain special symbols such as page breaks, section breaks, etc., as you can see here. And whenever an index is marked, you will notice that this text will be added. Don't worry about that. In order to remove it, all you have to do is to go on home and switch off the show hide button. Let's add, for example, Cominotto in the index as well. So I have highlighted it, mark reference, mark enter, mark all, and I am going to add, for example, the word Napoleon, mark entry, and mark all. So my index is going to be made up of 3 entries. I'm going to switch off the show hide, and currently we have only marked our entries. If we want to have the index, then all we have to do is to create a new heading. This heading, I am going to put it in a new section. I am also going to make the header generic. And now I have placed the cursor where I want to have my index. And to render the index, we just have to go on the References tab and click on the Insert Index button. You can set some settings here. I'm going to leave everything as it is by default, and then I will click on OK. And here you can see that now we have our index.